What machines were used for cutting and printing the panels?
For this project, we use the CNC router, 5 feet by 10 feet flat CNC router. We use a half-inch thickness PVC, and also it was direct printing in our flatbed.
How long did it take from planning to the complete installation of the project?
I always like to say 2 weeks. That's the lead time for our client, but we get it done in 1 week. This one, so including the installation with standoff.
What impressed you the most about this project?
The precision, because this one is like a step and repeat 3D with standoff, half-inch separation. That's actually the challenge, but the finishing is great.
What lessons did you learn from this project?
Well, actually, the fast turnaround. I wasn't expecting to get this done in 1 week. So I think our team is ready for any rush orders.
What recommendations would you give to future clients considering a similar project?
About this project is my client wasn't local. We had to send it out substrate proof. He decided to go with PVC, but I think this is one of the biggest recommendations. It could be a rush job, but if you give us 1 or 2 days, we can run a quick proof. So for make a good decision.